Our listing on the NSE represents the continued evolution of Family Bank into a stronger, more transparent and future-ready bank.
By entering the public market, Family Bank is embracing the highest standards of transparency, governance, accountability, and public participation, while also affirming its readiness for sustained growth and leadership in Kenya's banking industry and beyond.
I must state, however, that this has been a long, exhausting, and challenging but exciting journey.